Claudia to push the function button down. You want to sit on the trampoline for a little bit?
Yeah, but
well, her and Hannah are on the porch, sitting on the porch swing. You want there with them?
But I want to go on the trampoline.
Well, I think they're going to sit on the porch swing for a little while.
That means we at the end.
Father Ox, exclaimed Exidiox, I can't find one of my blue tennis shoes. I need to have it to go on the hike to the cave with you. Father Ox chuckled, don't get too excited. I know that we'll find it.
Down, over, down, over.
Very good.
Around. Illuminati. Illuminati. What color was it? What?
I think it was blackish. Nope, close to the edge.
Yep.
That one's right next to the one you already did. Why don't you scoot down a little bit? A little further. Nope, take your whole needle out and go down.
This way?
It's still close to the old one.
How about
There, perfect. Look at that. That's the way.
I'll put it on. Oh, I got it. No, it's too hot, Claudia.
Claudia? I think that Knuckles wants to lock himself in the bathroom again. Would you go let him out?
This is so hard to do. Nope.
That looks good. Mm-hmm.
Mommy, open the door for Knuckles. You give the swimming cousin to grab open the door for Knuckles.
You want me to get you strawberry milk and shake it up because you opened the door for Knuckles?
Yeah.
I just had to come out and take a drive to see how everything was flooding from the snow melting.
Oh my gosh.
That's the river we go visit sometimes, and it's usually a little tiny.
One of the houses is getting touched by water.
Is it?
That used to be a cloud.
Oh, it was so
Try some cigarettes. She just said this is camel food. Funny, look. This is what's called. Here, you can look.
Why did they do barbed wire? Why could
Normally this river is just a little trickle of water coming through here.
Is it?
Mom, I think we should on Tuesday.
Not gonna be there forever.
That's where we let the turtles go last fall. We see some ducks down there right now.
No.
like this, and it went in there.
Ex-Eddie Ox thought it was extraordinary that he and Father Ox were going to hike inside a cave next weekend. However, Ex-Eddie Ox had one big problem. Do you remember what it was?
Yeah, that he lost his pencil.
That's right. He needed the shoe to go hiking in the cave. Father Ox drove home from work in his taxi cab. Father Ox and Moxie gathered around Ex-Eddie Ox with great concern and compassion. "I'm glad you're not hurt," said Father, "but oh, look! God answered our prayer about your blue tennis shoe." Ex-Eddie Ox looked up in surprise. There, on the steps, was Ex-Eddie Ox's other blue tennis shoe. Then go.
But his nose was like that.
These are flax. Can you say flax? Flax seeds.
What do flax seeds make?
We actually eat them in our oatmeal a lot.
So let me see.
They make pretty blue flowers, actually.
I did it.
Good. It's over there on the X. The red X I saw for a second. Hi.
What does this mean? Because I don't like need to know to be my problem, but it says the lightly buttered toast was filled. What is that?
That means that here's toast with a little bit of butter on it, and it filled him up. So he wasn't hungry.
Look. Right now this one is the highest. Look. The lowest is the second highest, the third the highest, and the fourth highest.
I see. That's a big number.
Heavy.
Yeah.
Can you take a
Can you
pencil?
reach?
No.
Good. Now put your laundry in. Then turn it on. And then turn it so that the light by normal lights up. There you go. And then push start.
Ox reads.
I'm to listen to.
All right, should we count by tens today?
Yeah.
70, 80, 90, 100. Just a moment, Eddie, said Father Ox. I'll see where I put my extra box of matchsticks. Good, said Eddie Ox. I'm not very excited about how dark it is in here. Eddie Ox felt Father Ox bumping around in the dark, trying to feel in each of his pockets for his extra matchsticks. I can't find the box of extra matchsticks, said Father. Well, said Eddie Ox, I'm not so sure this is extraordinary after all. But we're going to have to wait till tomorrow to find out if they're going to be able to find their way out of the cave again.
Also, because of the microwaving butter, I just keep pushing that plus 30 seconds button until I see the butter ice cube. And I realized that, you know how when it gets to 60, then it goes to the next minute. Once it gets to 99, then it starts going.
Does it?
Playing your magic works.
Yeah, we've been riding in the elevator to help Claudia get brains. And we'll go up and see Aunt Susie before we go visit Grandma Fern. Because Aunt Susie works here, huh? We're going to give her a big hug.
Yeah. No, I didn't know that. It's here.
Okay, here we go. Aunt Susie wasn't here, so we left her a note and we're going to go back down now and see Grandma.
I'll push the next button.
And now this time we got to push number 1.
No, look, try it.
Okay, number 1 with the star.
What? Push it. Hold on to Mom. I'm doing great.
You are doing great. I'm so proud of you.
It's going down.
Yeah,
I remember we used to jump in the elevator.
you're doing such a good job.
Look.
Okay. All right, out we go.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Grandma's talking to someone for reals on the phone,
Well,
but Claudia thinks she's talking to her.
yeah, she is. She comes every Monday afternoon and does what she can. She brought 4 girls with her, 4 little girls, so there's that. You guys been feeling okay? It was really gloomy today, foggy. My type of weather, but I don't get to move a laugh. A stroke. So I just speak to her and move on because I don't want to wear her out, you know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I did too.
I can't make the puzzle.
You can't make it?
I'll put it on.
We're gonna try to put the butterfly. Oh look, she's finding them.
Yeah, I'm getting up to you.
Are you?
I need that. There.
Did you do it? There's one more piece. Does it go?
Logos. Where's the logo?
Well, let's see if we can just get the butterfly. Let's see there.
That's it.
Yep, that's where it went. Good job.
I don't know what I'm in the rest of the day anymore, so I
Is
just...
this I'm missing a piece?
Okay.
Let's see. I think this one goes right like that. You want to put it down?
I do. I get up and walk the halls about, you know,
Yes, you did it. Now, I think that it's missing a piece. So did we lose it or is it just missing one? She found it. All done.
Where's the phone? We forgot the phone in the bag. I forgot this.
was kind of disappointed when Gal from Buffalo moved in, but
Dude, he's trying to blow. I think he's not understanding this. He needs to tip up to. Just do the blonde. I think some of it went into contest. I just realized what you were saying. You said don't. I was not focusing a lot of the time, but since I was learning things, I guess.
We've been having science chats this morning. So the one that ends with x, with
Box.
brown. Yep, box.
But where is it? Oh, I see that. Box.
And very last, we're looking for the one that ends with.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That's right. Circle the rope with purple. Nope. Very good.
Rainbow dye.
Okay, look at row 2. Which one goes with the couch?
You realize he didn't have any shoes on. He had another break one, so I had to get it.
Oh. Did you make a hand?
I can see it.
You can see it.
I can see it. It's not gonna fall.
Really?
Is it?
Well, it's got to dry a little bit more.